but surpass that. You see, I just find out for my birthday today say Drift, number 47 on the Billboard chart. I bet me fuck up in ya, watch ya, uno, mouth, keeper, can't stop, oh, singer, mea, bad man, killer, as a me move, as a me rock, as a me sip me liquor.
Nation Wagwan, we are big up the up top boss and we are say congratulations. As I hear the entertainer say on his birthday, which is today, Jif surpass number 48 on the Billboard chart and now at 47, climbing the chart like a rocket, my viewers, and the entertainer all of vibes and a celebrate. As we know today a TG birthday, my viewers, so we can go ahead and send some shout out to the entertainer. Help me big up the entertainer. Help me wish the entertainer happy birthday.
Billboard. And I've just purchased my first house. Okay? So I'm now a property owner. Alright? I just purchased my first house. Today, on this day, I got the key. So I'm a happy man. I'm a happy man today. And I'm in a vibe right now, I swear, honestly. And I just want each of everyone who is on here to know that thank you.
Gratitude is definitely a must, my viewers, and as just the entertainer, definitely I show gratitude. The entertainer, big up him fans, him supporters, them entertainer making no straight say yeah, without your support, him unable to reach this level of success today, my viewers. And the entertainer, I share that so we say congratulations to TJ up top boss. As I hear the entertainer say him want him first property today and him birthday, him get the key. Blessing increase, blessings indeed.
Move, use, go, keep a gal, dance, jump, quicker, make a dance couple times, gal, take me picture. Alright then, I bet me fuck up in your
Gif and go big up the entertainer in the comment section. Make sure you hit the subscribe button meanwhile at it. But nevertheless, you know last time I upload busy signal performance and the shots and me mention say the full performance are forward. So my viewers, just before that looking on the screen right now, I don't know if I remember this moment when Busy Signal land in Africa, my viewers. Them have to send the entire army to hold off the crowd to the love for the entertainer receive overwhelming over there in Africa. So we are give Busy Signal him rose while him there. We are shout out to the living legend. We are say a big up to the turf boss. Your time for shine, my G. All that, big up yourself. Go and put in the work. A lot of people now surround your name because you're not in a no bag of chastity and negativity. But we are use our platform for accolade you within the good time busy signal. You see me? And I make you know say your work is commendable and art I love for what you do for the dancehall culture, the reggae music. Is a living legend and go and do it.
Give them the space. You can come with them. Come closer. Give them the space. 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 When you're busy, Mayona.
Commence par maneva. What happened about the Sweden and about South Africa now is in a tudo utali abilogwa hivi. Antu wananyamuka sana. Kutoka Jamaica, New York, South Africa kuno ndoledo masiva atatu. So alipo antu 10 pano ndi antu 7 chabe. Mawa kulikule.
DJ!
My viewers, you see the love and the turn of a busy signal over there in African nation is known joke Jamaica culture have an impact on this world. I mean, I know when it will take a lot of people realize that Jamaica is not a place to take for granted. The heritage of Jamaica is one for us all to cherish. But without further delay, my viewers, enjoy the busy performance.
Voice of Valiant represent for Fly God Heart, you know. Them boy down, Black 40 on my belly, clot it on my body, that shit in trade.